Hello and welcome to the show. I got a camera today. I should probably. Can I zoom in on this?
Zoom in on my nipple.
How do I do that?
Zoom in on my nipple. No, on top. Top, other one, right there.
This
top.
one?
Yep, turn it to the side.
Wow, I hate that. I'm sorry you saw that.
Because it's videoing. It slows it down during videoing.
Wait, I love this camera. I'm gonna do a room tour.
Well, no. Why are you recording?
Because I wanted to play with my camera.
Why don't you flush the toilet?
I don't know why. It doesn't flush toilet paper the first time because plumbing, I don't know. Anyway, now that I'm professional. Ooh, wait, I can go outside because my new camera can see me in low light. Hold on, wait for it. I think so. There it is. How exciting. Okay, so we're in 17B. We're leaving tomorrow to go to Oslo. I'm hyped because that means I get to swim with whale sharks. I've literally been begging Beau to do this for like 2 months. And oh, we're in the apartment. And we're here. Oh, here's the bathroom. And the shower. This is the nicest shower we've had. Here's me. And a chair, a tripod. That's a lot of trash. So here is, what is this? A table. This is my MacBook, not my brother's anymore. Here's our room. There's Beau. Oh, thank you for putting a shirt on. Wait, I want to zoom in on your face, but why does it take so long? Wow, it zooms in pretty far. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so that's Beau's bed, and I'm on the stupid doggy pad. I had to pay $5 extra for sheets. Because this lady is cheap. Just kidding, she's nice. Wow, he barked. The doggy mat's okay. She said it was a single bed. This is not a single bed. This is literally like a dog bed. But because Beau was so kind. Why are you sniffing your armpits?
Because I wore the shirt for just a minute. It's like, they're like stained now.
That's disgusting. Oh wait, look at her view. And then I'll stop. Wow, I just would like to point out how messy Beau Nigeria is.
Get out of here. Go somewhere else.
I'm trying. I can't. My gym is closed.
Go do something productive for today.
Oh, why is my...
You have done nothing today. You have edited for 2 hours, and that is it.
I got a camera today. He's so mean. Look at the view.
I'm trying to make you a better person.
Oh, that's our park that we've never been to. We've stayed here for like... Stop. He is always mad. God bless it. Now we're gonna flip it this way.
Now you're actually going to do it. Do an actual video.
This was an actual video.
No,
I'm sorry.
Do an actual one.
That's the thumbnail.
Oh, here, no, start the video and I'll put on my fedora. No.
You want me to redo the whole thing?
Yes, but then we put on my fedora every time.
And there's Beau with his sweet ass fedora. Look at it.
Hello.
Why did you get so quiet and awkward? Stop it. I'm not gonna show you the obscene things he's doing.
Oh, yeah.
Wait.
I'm pissed.
You're always pissed.